If problems occur with your machine, undertake the basic troubleshooting checks explained in this video before contacting your local service agent for further assistance. Where indicated, please ensure you unplug the machine before carrying out any maintenance. After every use, switch off the machine. Check the dust bag and, if full, replace. Unzip the bag compartment. Remove the used vacuum bag by pulling the green bag collar tab away from the vacuum. Slide the used bag out of the bag holder, which automatically seals the bag opening. Discard the used bag. To install a new bag, slide the bottom of the green bag collar into the bag holder until it snaps into position. Push the top of the bag collar upward until the collar snaps into place on the vacuum. Tuck the bag corners into the bag compartment and then zip the bag compartment closed. Check the battery cable for any wear or damage and charge if required. To charge the battery, plug the AC cable into the charger and plug the DC cable into the charge point on the battery. Then plug into the wall socket. The charger LED light will be red during charging and will turn green when the battery pack is fully charged. Always unplug the charger from the charger point before use. Store the machine in a dry indoor area only. If your machine doesn't work, press the battery status indicator on the machine. If there's only a red light visible, charge the battery for 2.5 hours. When the battery is charging, the charger light will be red and will turn green once the battery is fully charged. If there is no light on the charger, check the cables are connected properly and there are no signs of damage to both the cable and fuse in the plug. Try the charger in another socket outlet. If there is still no light on the charger, please contact your local service agent. If the battery status indicator on the machine has green lights but your machine still doesn't work, check the dust bag is not full or damaged and replace if necessary. When you switch the machine on, can you hear the motor? If you can't hear the motor, please contact your local service agent. If you can hear the motor, switch off the machine, press the foot pedal and lower the handle to the floor. Turn over the machine so it's facing down, ensuring there is nothing near the on-off switch which could accidentally turn the machine on. Remove the brush cover by turning the two locking screws a quarter turn anti-clockwise and lifting off the cover. Remove the debris from around the brush and check the vacuum airway. Check the belt is attached. If necessary, take out the brush roll, remove debris and reposition the belt. Ensure the machine cannot be accidentally turned on when reattaching the belt. If the belt is snapped, please contact your local service agent to order a replacement.